In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to quickly diagnose which parking sensors are not working properly. First thing we're gonna do is to insert key and press start, but without turning engine on. Here's the easy way to find the problem. First, turn on the PDC so that you see the flashing green light. The blinking means that the PDC controller is working, but one or more of the sensor is damaged, clogged or non-functional. So let's do the testings. First, put your ear to each sensor and listen for a clicking sound. If the sensor is making clicking noise, it's working properly. If it's not making any noise, it's most likely to be damaged and needs a replacement. These are the results for my front bumper sensors. Let's see. Okay, let's test the rear bumper sensors now. I'm unable to record clicking sound with my phone, but this is how it should sound when you bring ear next to it. Now let's see results for my rear bumper sensors.